just see what they look like.
It's fine.
I'm gonna take a little bit.
Boom. Oh. What the hell? It's Ooh. Sheesh. Okay. Oh, you're just in time. I just
Cooker.
Well, it's semi-cooked.
Getting everything ready.
I just burned a little butter.
Hi.
I look great.
How are you prepping the corn? I see it's soaking. That's interesting.
Yeah, here. Did you bring games?
I did. Brought Hexaquest, Mysterium, the new trivia game.
Simple.
This is what I looked up. This is what we do.
Oh, we're just doing it with you?
No, I'm gonna just show you.
Oh.
I don't know if you should use this when the grill's hot or what.
That's you.
I hope this doesn't explode. Liberally.
Wow, that's a lot.
That might be too liberal. Then you place it down. You guys film each other. Overcooked. Oh no. Okay. No.
He didn't take that one off though. How much time do you think it's done? Well, it's a little red, so I'm gonna leave it.
I would just put them all on there.
What? Just 120?
When the liquid starts to seep up to the top, you turn them. And then it's going to be done. Number one, you gotta have it hot. That's the biggest mistake people make. I thought you meant the big ones.
No.
But no, my little one, yeah, now that you mentioned it.
Should throw the
You
cheese
just
on
realized
there.
it's gone, huh?
You didn't see it at
We
our
didn't check
house?
the temp yet.
No, I didn't see it at your house.
Really?
No.
Well, she repainted it on. Nice. You'll see.
Oh,
Want to get it? Or you want
I
me to
was
get it
gonna ask you, but I keep asking you to that.
Oh yeah, they're done. We can get
Yeah,
this
they'll be-
on. I capture them.
I mean, are you gonna have it out for dinner?
Yeah, it's gonna be like a little snacking thing. Yeah. We can try. Rachel, try some of the meats.
For the kids she babysits.
Yeah, they're too big for kids.
Way to go, Hosanna and Victor. Oh no, you don't have to toast those buns.
It's so good.
Yeah, just simple caramelized onions. Oh yeah, potato salad or?
Yeah.
Ooh, show it off. Wow, show it off. Buns.
Pardon me?
That's hot as fuck. Touch it. I'm gonna take this up. Oh, hot. Jeez. You're funny.
Oh, yeah. That's gonna
I was gonna sear them. I don't need it. I'm not gonna be using it for it.
Thank you. What? It's fine.